Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. VLC Snap Location. Well, today's video I'm going to teach you about the VLC Snap Location. So, first thing you want to do when you want to VLC Snap Location is open up, of course, your VLC. And to find its location, it is always right here at the pictures. If you downloaded the VLC for the first time, your default location of the download of the snapshot will be always here at pictures. Now I'm going to teach you how to take a snapshot. By taking a snapshot, click on video. After clicking on video, go down to the bottom and click on take a snapshot. There you go. Let's go to pictures. There you go. As you can see. So there you go, guys. And a little bit of a bonus tip for you guys. If you want, you could click on view and then advanced control, click on that, and you will add a camera icon here that says take a snapshot. So whenever I click that, we'll also take a snapshot, and it will also be located at the same place. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.